Here's how to extract the events of Ticketmaster without any coding knowledge. For this, we will need the Ticketmaster scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Now press on the extension. Then press Extract Events. As you can see, we extracted the events in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. Then press More Events. As you can see, the more we scroll down, the more we extract. Once you're done, press Add to Export List. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as CSV. After exporting, here is the data we extracted. You can also customize the data however you want. To do this, go back to the page. Then, scrape your data again. Then make sure this pop-up is open and press on the extension again. Then press Customize Fields. In here you can shape the data however you want. For example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. Once you're done, press Save. Then press Export. After exporting, here is our new customized data.